Hurricanes and drones don't mix. Who can fly? Who can't fly? Got that coming up next. We've seen time and time again how drones in the hands of first responders have proven themselves to be valuable life-saving tools. Now, with Hurricane Dorian's full impact in the United States still unknown at this time, first responders and utilities are ready to help when they get the call. Now, there are two articles I'd like to share with you regarding this, and I'll provide links in the description. The first article is called, and I'm going to go ahead and put it up on the screen, DJI urges authorized drone users to prepare for Hurricane Dorian. I'm going to read you an excerpt from this. Quote, first responders and utility companies today rely on drones to help people during emergencies, and DJI expects our products will play a critical, even life-saving role in responding to this looming disaster, said Mario Ribello, DJI Vice President and North American Regional Manager. We want to make sure drones can do their job safely and effectively in the days ahead, and that other drones stay out of rescuers' way. Drones' unique aerial perspective and ability to easily reach inaccessible areas have rapidly made them vital tools for first responders and infrastructure operators after hurricanes. Drones were first used widely for storm response after Hurricane Harvey struck Houston in 2017, where they were able to quickly inspect and assess infrastructure such as roads, bridges, railroads, power lines, and oil refineries. In 2018, the North Carolina Department of Transportation flew more than 260 drone missions responding to Hurricane Florence, allowing them to assess damage, prioritize efforts on the ground, and plan safe routes for recovery workers. Now, the second article is entitled FAA Update on Hurricane Dorian, and I am going to go ahead and read you the portion on drones in its entirety, and I'm going to go ahead and put that up on the screen. Drone users should check NOTAMs and TFRs and avoid flying in areas where drones are prohibited. Drone pilots must comply with FAA rules and should avoid flying in areas unless conducting an active disaster response or recovery mission. Be aware that the FAA might issue a TFR in the affected area. Be sure to check for active TFRs if you plan to fly. Remember that you cannot fly inside a TFR without FAA approval. Drone emergency operations and response. During a natural disaster, do not fly your drone in or around emergency response efforts unless you have special authorization to do so. There are low-flying aircraft as part of the storm response, mostly in low visibility areas. If you are flying, emergency response operations cannot. You may be able to get expedited approval to operate in the TFR through the FAA's Special Governmental Interest SGI process is outlined in FAA Order J0720.23A. Submit an emergency operations request form in Microsoft Word with your existing remote pilot certificate or existing certification of authorization, COA, and send to the FAA System Operations Support Center at 9 ATORHQ SOSC at FAA.gov. Don't be that guy. Be aware that significant penalties may exceed $20,000 if drone operators interfere with emergency response operations. Flying a drone without authorization in or near the disaster area may violate federal, state, or local laws and ordinance, even if a TFR is not in place. Allow first responders to save lives and property without interference. End quote. The FAA makes it clear who can and can't fly in this situation. Don't be that guy. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.